Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna talk about one convenient and eco-friendly way in which you can commute either from home to office or school from home, and anyone can use it whether you're a student or a professional. So let's start this video. It's all about Neuron Mobility e-scooters and is a company dedicated to transform the way we commute and was founded in Singapore in 2016. The e-scooters are sleek, efficient and packed with innovative features designed to enhance both safety and convenience. After expanding into other parts of Southeast Asia, the company quickly refocused to concentrate on Australia and New Zealand and currently operating in the United Kingdom and Canada. So let's dive into some of the key aspects that sets the Neuron Mobility e-scooter apart from the rest, and they are distinctive orange in color. First up, safety. Neuron Mobility prioritizes rider safety above everything else. Their scooters come equipped with a range of safety features such as a robust braking system, bright LED lights for enhanced visibility, and a sturdy frame designed to provide stability even on uneven terrain. They have also incorporated a helmet lock feature, encouraging riders to prioritize their safety by wearing helmets. But what truly sets Neuron Mobility apart is their cutting-edge AI technology called cruise control. This intelligent system helps riders maintain a safe and consistent speed, making it easier to navigate through busy streets and ensuring a smoother, more enjoyable ride. Now let's talk about convenience. Neuron Mobility has seamlessly integrated technology into their e-scooters, making them incredibly user-friendly. The Neuron app allows you to easily locate and unlock nearby e-scooters with just a few taps on your smartphone. So now I will show you how the Neuron app works. So let's start. So simply go to App Store and type Neuron and you click on the first option, and you see the first option here to download. You click on that, then you click on open. So it will tell you to allow the Bluetooth and you press OK, and it will tell you to either allow or disallow for the notification as well. So I will allow. It will give you options with either signing in with Apple, Google or Facebook. So I will sign in with Google and I'll press continue. Then you will see this small guide that pops up on how to ride. So you click on 5 options here. Once it's green, then you're good to go. So let's click. And then you will see a nearby e-scooter, so you can click on that and then you click on add payment method. So here you can either add Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, credit or Visa debit card. The app also provides real-time information on battery life, distance traveled and even carbon emissions saved, a great way to track your eco-friendly impact. Neuron Mobility also values sustainability. The e-scooters are designed to be eco-friendly, emitting zero greenhouse gases. By choosing to ride on Neuron e-scooter, you are actively contributing to reducing carbon emissions and creating a greener future for our cities. Whether you are a student, professional or simply someone looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to navigate the city, the Neuron Mobility e-scooter is a game changer. With its emphasis on safety, advanced AI technology and seamless user experience, it's no wonder why Neuron Mobility has become a trusted name in urban transportation. So far they have the next generation N4 e-scooter, purpose-built N3 e-scooter and ride with EB1 e-bike. So the e-scooters have sensors that detect if a parked scooter has been left or has fallen on its side. This then alerts the operations team, who quickly reposition it safely. Riders are able to book and use the e-scooters through the app, with trip costs 1.15 Canadian dollars to unlock the e-scooter and 42 cents per minute thereafter. Frequent users can also purchase Neuron passes available in 3 days that cost 27 Canadian dollars, weekly that costs 41 Canadian dollars or monthly that costs 104 Canadian dollars. The pass enables users to ride as many times as they want for up to 90 minutes per day, resulting in savings of up to 95%. After riding, park the e-scooter in a designated area and on the curbside. Also ensure paths and access points are clear and don't obstruct tactile ground surface indicators. A no parking zone is denoted by the red shaded area. Low speed zone is denoted by the yellow shaded area, and no riding zone is denoted by the grey shaded area on the map. The advantage of the Neuro e-scooters is that they will automatically reduce speed and come to a stop in these zones. For safety, the default speed in the e-scooters is set to the first mode, which travels up to 15 km per hour. To increase speed, press the change speed button once and this will change it to the second mode of up to 20 km per hour. You can check on their website for more information and I will put the link in the description below. Hope you guys found the video informative and useful. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and until then, this is Shyam from Explore with Shyam signing off. Till then, take care and bye bye.